It is recommended that you stocktake by location, regardless of whether the stocktake is completed via a wireless scanner, the Minfos app, or via stocktake sheets. It may be necessary to have multiple locations across a single department, I.E.U. or class. To add locations to your Minfos, from the Stock Manager module, click Category Maintenance. Select Location from the Category Type drop-down menu. Leave the display order as Name. Click Add to add a new location. Enter the code that you wish your location to have. By default, the next available number is populated. You may wish to set up locations with codes that are grouped by numbers. For example, all of dispense in 0 to 100, cosmetics from 100 to 200, and so on. Enter the name of the location. Enter a performance guideline if you wish, or leave this field blank. For further information about performance guidelines, please refer to the Minfos Help Centre. Click OK to save the location. Repeat these steps until all of the locations have been added. Change the sort order of the list using the drop-down menu if required. Click Print to view a list of the locations. This can be exported or printed and used as a checklist to record when the stocktake of each location has been started and completed. Click Cancel to close category maintenance.